Good morning, good morning. So, I'm going to do a breakdown of the trade I took this morning. Okay, this was it. Now, I based on my confluences, based on how I trade, let's start from the weekly. Let's start from the weekly. This is a weekly time frame. Okay, and I plot out my levels on the weekly time frame. Okay, so that I'll know the long-term goal, of every candle behavior. All right, so you see, this was a breakout from this zone. It was a breakout from this zone. So now the market broke out and tested another zone. Okay, there's another zone. hmm This zone is on the daily. Okay, the moment it broke out. So now the essence of me going to the weekly to the daily is for me to know the overall direction. So if market gets to a particular point, I should know where a retracement is happening or where the rally up is happening to. So now from the weekly we'll go to the daily. So on the daily time frame, this is what we have. This is the level I'm talking about. This level is the daily level, not really the weekly. So I'll change it to the daily level. Okay, this is what I saw before I took this trade this morning. This is the daily level. From there, go to the 4 hours. This is a 4 hour level, right? So this is a level on the 4 hours. This is a level on the 4 hours. 4 hours level. So the market touched it, created a neckline here. So I wanted plotting this neckline, but based on the strategy I use, practice more of F and R zone. So I adjusted it to the 1 hour. So when you go to the 1 hour, you see what I'm talking about. Okay, you see this is a level on the 1 hour. Okay, this is a level on the 1 hour. Sorry, I'm using my phone to do this recording. That's why it's been like this. This is a level on the 1 hour, and if you go, this is the level I'm talking on the 1 hour. Right, so the 1 hour and the 30 minutes have the same level. But now this happened this morning when I woke up. I saw this around 8. I saw that market broke out of this internal neckline created. The market is more of consolidating, but it broke out of this with the full body. And my confluence is telling me that whenever the market breaks out of a zone, of an F&R zone with a full body, I should be looking at taking a trade. So this is what I saw this morning. So the moment the market broke out, I went to the 30 minutes. 30 minutes. You see this level 2, still respected it. So the 1 hour and 30 minutes have the same level. So if market breaks out, I was expecting it to come down to this level, but this happened. So now, based on the wave structure, the moment the market broke out, as it was a tracing, this candle here had an entry. That's 1%. The market went up and took me out. And now it's trying to drop. So based on the wave pattern, if the market fails to respect here, the next zone it will respect is the top. So since the market fails to respect this zone, and this is the next zone, it respected it and is dropping. But I'm out of the trade already with a loss. I'll still be holding on. Now I'll only take trade again if market breaks out of either of this zone. That is when I'll take a trade, either of the daily or the 1 hour and 30 minutes zone with the full body. Then it gives me a pattern. I'll join the trade, or either a sell or a buy to the upside. But I'm seeing a massive sell. I'm expecting a massive sell to all these F&R zones. So if it breaks out, this is the first take profit, second take profit before any possible retracement to the upside.